Hi everyone, and again myself Gokula Varshini from the Department of Food Technology, and I'm handling the subject unit operations and food processing too. And today in this PPT or in this session lecture, we can see about the drying and how can the dryers be selected based on the food materials. And in the last two sessions, we have seen about what is the purpose of drying, what is the definition of drying, what are the applications of drying, what are the factors affecting the drying rate, and like that we have seen everything. And we have also seen about the tray dryer. So let us have a quick recall, and next we can move on to the next session. So first, drying, the definition of drying, the application of heat under the control condition to remove the water present in the food by evaporation to yield a solid product. And also we have seen about the purposes of drying, and also we have seen about the examples of drying. For reference, you can refer to the past two videos. So what is the mechanism of drying? And this is the picture here defines how the mechanism of the water is dried, and how does it come to the surface, and it is further drying, how complete removal of water in the food product takes place, and what is the phases of drying can be seen in this slide. And we have also seen about the drying curve, and also we have denoted its phases: warming up time, constant rate drying period, first falling rate drying period, second falling rate drying period. And also we have seen about the drying rate formula, that is nothing but the W by dt. And we have also seen about the factors affecting the drying rate, the both internal and external factors which plays a major role in during drying, and also the time taken for the drying. And we have also seen about the field of application, that is where all the drying takes place in the industries, and how important this drying in the food industry. And here are the some applications of drying. And we have also seen about the tray dryer or cabinet dryer, on what is the construction of this tray dryer or cabinet dryer, and what is the principle of this tray dryer. And we have also seen about working of the spray dryer, and also we have seen about the application of the tray dryer. And also I have explained about the disadvantages of this tray dryer in the past video. So now let us see about the new type of dryer in this lecture. Okay, so the dryer here comes is the spray dryer, which is one of the most important dryer. It is also a most important dryer. So let us see about it in detail. So first, what is the definition of spray dryer? Spray drying is the process in which the liquid is transformed into a dried particles by spraying the feed into a hot drying medium. So, and what is the principle behind it? So the principle is nothing but the atomization of liquid feed into a fine droplet, and mixing of these spray droplets with the heated gas steam, and allowing the liquid to evaporate, and leaving the dried solids. So dried powder is separated from the gas steam and collected. And the spray drying involves the atomization of the liquid feedstock into a spray or droplets, and contacting the droplets with hot air in a spray drying chamber. So here is the spray drying chamber of a that is a diagram of the of its setup. Okay, and next, how does it work? So the working is nothing but the sprays are first produced by either rotary or nozzle atomizers, and then the evaporation of moisture from the droplet and formation of dry particle processed under a controlled temperature and airflow conditions. And next, the powder is discharged continuously from the drying chamber, and operating condition and drying design are selected according to the drying characteristics of the product and powder specification. So where are these spray dryers are used? Like we can use spray dryer in the field of milk powder production, eggs, coffees, infant food, animal feed, encapsulation of flavors, bioactive compounds, and nutraceuticals. And what are the disadvantages? The disadvantages include the equipment is very bulk, and with the ancillary plant is experiment is expensive, and the overall thermal capacity is low as the large volume of the heat air passes through the chamber without contacting a particle, thus not contributing directly to the drying. So what are the advantages? So it can be designed to a virtually any capacity required, and the spray drying process is very rapid, and as long as there can be pumped, the feedstock can be in a solution, slurry, paste, gel, suspension or melt form, and it is adaptable to fully automated control system that allows continuous monitoring and recording, and it has a few moving parts, and careful selection of various components can result in a system having no moving parts, and it can be used with both heat resistant and heat sensitive products, and offers high precision control over particle size, bulk density, degree of crystallization, etc. And powder quality remains constant during the entire run of the dryer, and nearly spherical particles can be produced uniform in size and frequently hollow, thus reducing the bulk density of the product. And in the next session we can see about the other type of dryers. Thank you.